Hi there, I'm Olga. Thanks for choosing lpfirstcertificate.com. We want to help you improve your level of English quickly and easily. To help you get the maximum advantage from your first certificate grammar lessons, we have introduced video lesson previews with our best teachers. But do not forget to study the complete lesson before going on to the exercises. Well, let's start with today's video lesson preview, and here to present it is Chris.
I'm Christopher Paulhopper, and I'm going to take you through today's lesson.
Hello there. Welcome to the lesson preview for comparatives and superlatives. So what are they? Comparatives and superlatives are special forms of the adjective. We use the comparative to compare two people or things, and superlatives to compare more than two persons or things. For example, Mary is taller than her brother. Here we compare Mary's height with her brother's height. Mary is the tallest in her class. Here we compare Mary's height with the height of all the other children in the class. Let's take a look at the rules. Formation when the adjective has one syllable. We add ER to the adjective for the comparative and EST for the superlative. For example, fast, faster, fastest. Note, adjectives ending in E only add R for the comparative and only add ST for the superlative. For example, wide, wider, widest. Fine, finer, finest. Short adjectives which finish in consonant, vowel, consonant must double the final consonant. For example, hot, hotter, hottest. Big, bigger, biggest. When the adjective has two syllables and ends in Y, change the Y to I and then add ER for the comparative and EST for the superlative. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Happy, happier, happiest. For the comparative, we put the word more or less before the adjective, followed by than. For example, the adjective modern, more or less modern than. For the superlative, we put the most or the least before the adjective. For example, the most modern or the least modern. As always, in English, there are exceptions. Look at these exceptions and take note of them. Narrow, narrower, narrowest. Gentle, gentler, gentlest. The most common irregular adjectives are many, more, most. Little, less, least. Good, better, best. Far, farther, farthest. Bad, worse, worst. Here are a couple of reminders. Comparatives are followed by the word than. For example, John is older than Mary. The adverb but is also used frequently. Example, John is intelligent, but Mary is more intelligent. Superlatives take the word the because there can only be one superlative. John is the tallest in his class. Mary is the most intelligent in the family. And finally, the comparative of equals. As, and not as. The structure as plus adjective or adverb plus as is used to say that the two things being compared are the same. Mary is as intelligent as Susan. They are equally intelligent. Not as plus adjective or adverb plus as is used when the things being compared are not the same. Mary is not as intelligent as Susan. Mary is less intelligent than Susan. Well, that's the end of the grammar preview for today. Was it easier than you thought or more difficult? See you next time. Bye.
Did I hear you say that was easier than the last lesson? Maybe it was the easiest exercise you've ever done.